9 times faster charging. I don't know it was slow before. Actual cord is 25 feet in length. What? Is that what they're gonna try to fill it up with? Bro, what if that didn't come off? Damn. I don't think that's supposed to come off, because then a customer could just take it. Press the ejector button down there. Yeah, just leave it right there.
That was not.
How they just got radios out?
We could just move that shit. I don't know. Shit moves?
That is an annoying radio to do. So you haven't seen one of those yet?
I've seen one.
Like the connections right here are fucking crazy. To
I've seen one
connect.
that Lovic that it like folds inwards and then comes like that.
No, that's different.
I know. Well, obviously it doesn't fold in.
Sam said, make sure the displays work. I don't come here to break shit. It doesn't come off. It doesn't. It's not supposed to.
Oh well, they redid everything.
It is.
Alright, let's make sure they work.
I hope they're not finished. Why would you put something so low? Like, what if I'm old and I can't bend down that low? Why not raise it up a bit?
Hear more hip-hop with Pioneer and Sirius XM.
Trying to be somebody. Bro, you're whack. Get out of the store. Kenwood and JVC, the two wackest brands. Oh, wow. They're grimy for that. They stopped control of the dial so people don't OD. You can't do nothing.
Let's turn it up all the way.
Oh, with you know, with the pry tool that's hooked, you can still turn it. The one that has like the.
Turn it up all the way.
You can't. I mean, you still need to use the dial so you can go higher. They made car fire lit now.
Fancy as fuck.
It's not like $800. Oh, yeah.
This is the same thing.
$800.
This is the same thing for $299. That's not bad. One of these micro.
I mean, I would hate to have that in park in a bad neighborhood.
I live in Reading, so.
You're not gonna visit nobody. Hey, you live in Reading? Okay, before I go to your house, let me uninstall my radio.
Oh, there's nobody in Reading.
What's going on here? Hold wire out of a box. For some reason, there's a wire coming out of a box into the ceiling. That's it. We expected car fire. Another wire out of a box. There's a
Comstar robot.
no. There's a what's that thing when you do e-learning and you can get like percentage off? accommodation. It's an accommodation for the iRobot.
Really?
You don't have to sweep no more. Oh, they moved this over here now. Have you tried it yet? You tried the roller coaster?
No.
Try that.
Put your face in?
Yeah.
Oh shit. This is what death looks like. Why doesn't it work?
Oh, it's not on? I had tried it out before.
Hello?
Is there a button you gotta press? Oh, it's turning on now. That light just came on.
The fuck?
Damn, that's fucked up. Well, our displays work, but not the video games.
That's fucked up. That's actually fucked up.
It's actually fucked up because they don't even work.
Is this supposed to come out?
I don't think so. Yo, that's the actual. Oh, that's non-working unit, I think.
I think I broke it. I don't think it was actually supposed to come out. What if maybe it's supposed to be like there and then you show your face in the room?
Nah, even the way that they have it here. You're supposed to be able to turn around. It said raise the headset to begin the experience, but we did. Is there a certain length you have to raise it to? The fuck, man.
This is a scam, bro.
It's supposed to work.
It's fucked up.
Maybe it's unplugged.
Be back here.
I just want to see if I could see it through there. Damn, they got that connected. I should try it. Yeah, I'm free now. Today's my last day in the base, so you'll have me again.
I got credit now. Thank you.
¿Cómo le ayudamos hoy?
¿Estás buscando tú?
¿Qué tamaño están buscando? 75. 75 días.
65.
O 65. ¿Tienen alguna como cosa que están buscando? Que la televisión haga como 4K, como que están buscando. Like a low end 55 and 4K.
Does it have to be a name brand or just like anything that's cheaper?
¿Están buscando de marca o cualquiera? Como a good name brand. Como qué cantidad quieren pagar? Is there like a range you know off the top of your head that you're looking for?
I'm gonna guess probably like 450 for a 65-inch LG.
Is that here?
Yeah, I haven't in stock today.
But is it like on the flex?
They have one like it. It's right over here.
Vamos a ver, dijo uno de 450.
Pretty much the same TV.
Esta está por 450, dijo que la misma televisión. Y el 65 pulgadas en 4K.
¿Te gusta? No, ahora voy a comprar un grande. 450.